Hello, this is Sarah Payton, and I'm not calling you, I'm with you for a resonance, self-resonance for coronavirus time. And today, the resonance that I need to do for myself is something about health changes in response to this constant, and as someone said today, unprecedented level of stress for our generation at any rate. And what's happening for me is new levels of headaches and weird digestive issues. So in response, of course, you don't want to go anywhere near a medical office, right? So it's all a bit of a big cocktail of stress. Sarah, is it scary when you have new health stuff going on? Is it scary and confusing? Do you need acknowledgement that the stress is strange? That there's a constant pressure to figure things out, to keep the house calm, clean, fed, moving, that you're having way more contact hours with your family than you've had in years, which has its sweetness and its troubles. Yes, and just kind of like when you feel whatever it is that you're feeling, is it frightening? Sarah, are you frightened? Frightened and helpless. Oh, naming that helps my head a little bit. Is it a bit like all roads are closed? And you just kind of cling to hope that everything really is okay, and it's just the unprecedented stress that's giving you an unusual symptom. And does your left hemisphere just not understand what the big deal is? Is your left hemisphere like, what do you mean stress? Left hemisphere says, you've got enough to eat. You've got your family around you. There are beautiful tulips in the yard, even if the squirrel is decapitating them. The bubbles of laughter make my headache go away too. It's a bit like my head is working so hard to try to figure this all out and also to try to make home a survivable place instead of having the old implicit felt sense of trauma. Head, are you working so hard to try to support Sarah? Digestion, are you working so hard to try to support Sarah? Do you need a little gratitude for how hard you're working and appreciation? I can catch little moments of an alleviation of the pain. I think that it's much harder than my left hemisphere knows. My right hemisphere is catching it all, but not quite able to communicate the depth of what's going on in language. And it may be for you too. At any rate, love to you in this difficult time.